Look at Otis. He's running around. He's like going crazy. He's so cute.
Are you videotaping this?
Yes.
Hi, Otis.
Look at him. He was like running all over the floor and it was so cute.
Oh, because he hasn't seen you in forever.
Go back on the floor. I want to see you go on the floor again. He was like running on the ladder.
That's bad luck, by the way. 7 years. 7 years, Otis. 7 years. He's going back on the floor.
Look at him. Look at him.
Uh-oh.
He's such a boss. He's like, wow, I was waiting.
I think he's done.
He did all that because he wanted to eat. Otis. See?
Well,
Okay, bye.